Hi, this is Andy from Sauna Best, also from Blackstone Saunas. We are in Edmonton City, Alberta, Canada. 11210 143 Street is our address in Edmonton. So today, this is the open box video for Javier Legend 300 DUO open box. So this is made by Javier, and this is the style number, and this is a gift from the heater box. And so inside we have this. This piece is for the chimney. It goes here. And the other two cover is for here and here. And then we have heat shield. Oh, this is extremely heavy duty. So we have heat shield here and one more piece. And then we open here. We have some accessories. So there is a manual, big manual, very thick. And then we will also look at this. This is the special piece. I don't know why here is shorter. But thank you for watching. Again, this is Andy from Sauna Best in Edmonton. We have all kinds of wood burn heater, barrel sauna, electric heaters, infrared sauna, and sauna accessories, and all kinds of cedars in for sale. And we also have a baby for sale. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.